Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, well, finally, we're going to draw one of the Maximals. Well, one of the many Maximals. And this one's one of my favorites. In this video, we're going to draw Transmetal 2 Cheetor from Beast Wars. Transformers. Okay, so after a horrible accident, Transmetal Cheetor got mutated and started experiencing horrible nightmares, turning him into a monster. Well, he started acting like a monster. Eventually, his body couldn't handle it. And, well, his Transmetal body exploded, transforming into Transmetal 2 Cheetor, which considers him one of my favorites. And just like that, Transmetal Cheetor and Dinobot squared off. And they fought, and they finally fought each other to see which one of them is stronger. Well, actually, we finally got to see what Cheetor looks like in his beast mode. And turns out he was the monster that, which is why he had all those horrible nightmares. Glad to see him alive. Okay, so anyways, after that battle, Cheetor won, and to be honest, he went a little berserk. And basically, Optimus, Transmetal, he was trying to get in to reach his spark, to reason with him, and he knew he could do it. He managed to reach his spark and managed to bring him back into his senses, allowing him to transform back to his normal self. And that's pretty awesome. I'm glad that Cheetor managed to transform back. Now he's able to control his Transmetal 2 form. And to be honest, I think Cheetor would be awesome in that form if he stayed that way. Alright, let's get drawing. Okay, so there's his head. Now we just draw the missile on top of his head. That's on his back. That's also, you know, the missile on his back is actually a rocket that allows him to fly at jet-propelled speed. It's like his body and it's like flesh and metal became one, merged into one being. It's a little bit freaky, but I'm glad I got to see that happen. Go. Here's his claws. Now we just draw this claw here. There we go. Here's the leg down here. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
There we go. Alexa, what is Smilodon?
Smilodon is a genus of the extinct Mecharodont subfamily of the felids. It is one of the most famous prehistoric mammals and the best-known saber-toothed cat. Although commonly known as the saber-toothed tiger, it was not closely related to the tiger or other modern cats. Smilodon lived in the Americas during the Pleistocene epoch.
Okay, thanks for that. Alexa, what is Dinofelis?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, as a humanoid animal, Dinah is now a fetching 16-year-old humanoid cat girl.
Now for the feet. There we go. There's his hand. And lastly, we draw the tail. And there he is. That's how you draw Transmetal 2 Cheetor. Feel the burn. Roar. Okay, Alexa, what is Dinophilus?
Dinosaurus is a 1960 adventure film starring Ward Ramsey, Paul Lukather, and Christina Hansen. The film is 1 hour and 23 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 5 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 1,300 votes, and is rated unrated.
Alexa, what is Dinophilus?
The adjective fearless is usually defined as without fear, bold or brave, intrepid.
Alexa, what is Dinophilus?
According to Wikipedia, Deinocheirus is a genus of large ornithomimosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous around 70 million years ago. In 1965, a pair of large arms, shoulder girdles, and a few other bones of a new dinosaur were first discovered in the Nemec Formation of Mongolia. In 1970, this specimen became the holotype of the only species within the genus, Deinocheirus mirificus. The genus name is Greek for horrible hand.
Anyways, folks, that's how you draw Transmetal 2 Cheetor. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And based on your comments, I will draw that character as soon as possible. And please let me know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next, based on your description. So far, I've drawn the Transmetal 2 Dinobots. I drew a few Transformers animated characters for Transformers Animated. And lastly, I did one Generation 1 Bumblebee. And I did a few Decepticons from Transformers Robots in Disguise. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Stegosaurus, see you later!